I think it's important that we all do what we can to help the environment. We're not in a position to change a lot of things, but this is something small that we could do as a couple for the planet, in our opinion. Convert to electric cars, convert to a solar system. So when we moved to this home, we had a perfect opportunity to fulfill that dream of having an electric solar system installed. So we purchased the 2 electric vehicles first, and then we went looking for a company to do the installation for us.
So that's kind of how we met Josh at High Tide, and came over and saw us, and he was the only one really who was knowledgeable about the Tesla Powerwalls and the panels and so on.
He knew what we wanted. We were talking the same language the whole time. It was great. I know that this is a new and upcoming industry on Vancouver Island. I think High Tide was excellent and the way to go.